Hello everyone, Toby Horrorboy here, and welcome to my unboxing of the Marble Hornets operator figure from Makeship. And just to say it early, this figure is no longer available for sale. I'm very sorry to anyone who missed out, but Makeship has done Marble Hornet stuff before, and hopefully they'll do some more in the future. I'll show all of the other Marble Hornet stuff they've made at the end of this video. So let's get right into it. The box it came in was really secure. I'm personally an out-of-box collector. I have a lot of figures and only one of them is still in its packaging. So I'm not too fussed if the box itself gets a bit banged up, but this one arrived perfectly. And the figures box is really cool. I usually throw figure boxes out, but I think I'll actually be keeping this one. And as you can see, only 1,209 of these figures were made. It would have been awesome if they'd included some binary or a code, in true Marble Hornets fashion, but the static alone still looks really nice. I've seen much more expensive figures that pay way less attention to the inside of the box. Makeship primarily makes plushies. They've only done 7 vinyl figures before this one, and I think they did such a great job with his design. But let's look at the operator himself. It was easy to remove him from his inner packaging, which I really appreciate. And the glitching effect they chose to do for him is so cool. His arms and left leg have printed on glitches, but the effect they've done on his head and torso looks fantastic. I love that they've made parts of him unaligned from the rest of his body, and the combination of how they've done these two types of glitches looks great. I love his design. I think this is the best possible thing they could have done for the operator. My figure arrived with a small manufacturing defect. I think it might be glue. And it's not the biggest deal in the world. He's not in pieces or anything, but I emailed Makeship anyway, and they're actually sending me a replacement, which is incredibly nice of them. And I've bought a few things from them, so I would highly recommend that you go and check them out. Speaking of which, this is all of the Marble Hornet stuff that they've released so far. I'm very sorry, none of them are available for sale anymore, but we still don't have a J, so fingers crossed that they'll make him as well. And as a final note, I own the hostage photos that they used in entry 79, like the actual physical photos from the set, and I haven't really shown those before. So if anyone would be interested in me doing a video about them, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.